Why do you read books?
I read books for education, information, and entertainment.
Okay. What is the importance of books?
Books change our lives.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Clear?
Yes.
Which phase? Second phase. So I request now Misbah and Aisha to please come over here for the practice session. So please, Misbah and Aisha, come over here, please. Misbah and Aisha, I would like you to ask each other some questions.
Okay, sir.
What?
Some questions.
Some questions. Misbah,
Yes, sir.
I would like you to ask Aisha about TV. Aisha, I would like you to ask Misbah about books.
Okay, sir.
About books. About
TV.
TV. Now it's you to think about your questions you are going to ask.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have 90 seconds for what? For this thinking process, for this brainstorming,
Okay, sir.
for making concept map. Clear?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sure you're familiar with what is meant by concept map.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And these 90 seconds are for writing the question phrases, which are 13 in number. How many phrases are?
13.
13 now. Misbah, this is your page.
Thank you, sir.
Aisha, this is your page.
Thank you, sir.
You can write down your questions on the paper.
Sir, I need a ballpoint.
Very good. It's yours. You can write down your questions where? On the paper.
Okay, sir.
If you don't understand, what will you do?
Ask
I
me.
will also.
Very good. Now please ask me.
Okay, sir.
How much time do you have?
90
19.
seconds.
How much time do you have?
90
90 seconds. So your time starts now. Please. Please stop. Turn the book, please, and you can keep your page with you. This page contains your concepts and 13 phrases now. Misbah,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Please ask Aisha your questions.
Okay, sir. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Where do you watch it?
I watch it in the TV lounge.
When do you watch it?
I watch it at night.
How do you watch it?
I watch it interestedly.
Why do you watch it?
I watch it for education, information and entertainment.
Which channel do you watch?
I watch some channel.
How much time do you spend in watching it?
I spend 1 hour daily.
Okay. What do you watch on TV?
I watch dramas.
What kind of dramas do you like?
I like family dramas.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Fahad Mustafa.
Okay. Who is your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is Saba Kamar.
Okay. Whose acting do you like the most?
I like Saba Kamar's acting the most.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aisha, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask Misbah your questions.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Where do you read books?
I read books in my study room.
Okay, when do you read books?
I read books when I am free.
How do you read books?
I read books keenly.
Why do you read books?
I read books for education, information, and entertainment.
Okay, how much time do you spend in reading books?
I spend 1 hour daily.
Since when have you been reading books?
I have been reading books since I was in primary school.
Okay, how many books have you read so far?
I have read many books.
Which books do you read?
I read storybooks.
Who is your favorite writer?
Humaira Ahmed is my favorite writer.
Why do you like her?
I like her because her language is simple.
What is the importance of books?
Books change our lives.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome,
You're
sir.
welcome.
So this was our second phase. Very simple. A topic is assigned, and after that, 90 seconds are given, and during those 90 seconds, the candidate can prepare his notes. And what are those notes? There are two things which are done. The first one is the concept map is created, and second is the question phrases are noted down. What are those? I will share these both things in the description, and you can watch my videos on how to prepare concept map, and second, what are those 13 phrases. And the rest, I'm sure that you watched the video very keenly and you have understood the format of this second phase of the test. If any question is there, you're most welcome. So you people have understood? Yes, sir. Sure? Yes, sir. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.